Oh, good morning. It's been a while since we've greeted you from within a car. Look. Greetings. So it is the first proper day of half term, as in it's Monday and we're not at work. What? And we are on our way to Lakeside. Basically, shopping day. Basically, true debt. Basically, gonna head to fun times.
Gotta struggle with your words.
I'm gonna struggle with everything. I can't open my eyes. I haven't had my green tea yet. Basically,
I've already ruined my life.
Maria ruined her life. She threw coffee. Well, an apple fell into her coffee, as you do.
Sorry.
And then it went literally everywhere.
Literally.
Everywhere. Like.
See you later.
Like, yeah.
Other side of the room.
I didn't think there was enough coffee for it to do that, but it clearly did, and it's clearly living the aftershock of that happening. So yes, we're going on a trip. We'll take you with us. We'll see what happens. Hopefully there'll be stuff to film. Hopefully I'll have a green tea in a minute and I'll wake up a bit, and hopefully Maria won't spill any coffee anymore. Okay, wish us luck.
One can hope.
One can dream, Harold. We've had our caffeine. Well, I've had my green tea. Is there much caffeine in green tea?
A little bit.
A little bit, but I'm buzzing. And we are 43 minutes away from our destination, so we're doing okay. We've just been like singing and talking about YouTube plans, and
I have moved from sunglasses to glasses.
she has changed. Whereas I've taken
my ways.
She's changed her ways. I've taken my jumper off. You know, it's all happening here. It's all happening. So yeah, let's go. Arrived. I can't walk properly because I'm so desperate to tingle.
Kind of walking like Snow White was. She's really tired.
I'm so desperate. I can't. I'm really. But we're at Ikea. This is like yellow stuff is Ikea. I don't know. There's a flag. Oh. Oh. Just get me to a toilet, then I can engage.
God, don't say that word.
So much pain. Slidey door, slidey door, slidey door, slidey door. Oh, Hedge, it's great to see you.
Hey. Hey.
Hedge. We're here. Are we gonna get a bag? Are we gonna get a oh, I don't know, there's so much to ask. Let's just walk up some stairs, shall we? It's like a jungle in here. We've come so far. Get it? Storage heaven. Maria's gonna get a Kallax, but a white one. What? Hello. Found you. Hey Maria, will you stop being so shellfish? The toy bit. Woohoo! So many. Oh wow, Maria, look at him. Hello. Oh, you're so soft. Oh, and there's baby ones. Oh, my enemy. Oh, panda. Hello. What? What is it?
I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed.
Is it really an Ikea trip if you don't end up feeling overwhelmed and kind of want to die? Candle heaven. Dubby dubby doo.
Stuck in the middle.
Great. Ta! Beauty and the Beast, anybody? £15. Ah, we're on a roller coaster escalator with a trolley. Living life, keeping it real.
Traveling.
Is it what? What? Travelator?
Yeah, because you're traveling right.
I never.
Bonsai.
Yay. And so we are finished in Ikea. We've got a new friend coming with us. This is a Kallax going in Maria's room. Let me see. Boot isn't looking too bad at the moment. At the moment, but we're on our way to Lakeside shopping centre. So
I need the keys.
yep, that would help start a car. Here are the keys for you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm hungry, so let's eat first. Park, eat,
Repeat.
yep, let's do this. So just for those who haven't ever been to Lakeside shopping, the car park is free, which for me, as I just said to Maria, makes me feel very happy and also honoured to be part of this. Because I mean, look how many spaces there are also. And do I have to pay any money? No, I just get to park and have a joyous time. So this is all quite delightful. Thank you for coming. Destroyed it. So for some unknown reason, it's become a tradition that whenever we're somewhere else, we always have Wagamamas. However, in Norwich,
We don't.
we don't. But even though there is one, but we just won't have it. So the fact that we're down in Lakeside means it had to be Wagamamas. We both knew it before, like,
Yeah.
we didn't even discuss
we saw it in the list and we're like, okay.
Wait, is this
so,
it?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go in. Right, so our first point of call is Primark. In here, it's 3 stories, so it's going to take us probably about 5 hours. She dropped one. She loves 2 runs. We are Disney bound shopping and general like fun shopping. So we're going to go Primark and do every bit of that first. Let's go. We survived Primark and we've both come back with a bag of stuff. We're now just going to have a drink and then work out what our next step is and what we've managed to get Disney bound wise, because we're not really sure. We had success, we just don't know. I think there's still stuff we need. So, well, let's chill for a little bit, hey. Hey. The time has come. Yeah, let's do this. Gotta love a plush wool. I love them so much. So many things. Oh golly. I love these animators. So cute. And the baby ones. Whoa, what's that? I don't know what that is. Someone's bed? Bed set. Zerg. So many good things. We just left Disney store and we may have bought some things.
One thing each.
One thing each. But we got given a 20% off voucher and then we wanted the new, what's it called? What's the range? Wisdom range.
Yeah.
And they're like, oh, you can't use it on this. And it doesn't say that anywhere,
No.
so that was a bit annoying. We queued thinking, oh, we'll get a bit of money off, and we didn't. But oh well, we're now going to go along, and I think Typo is our next destination of choice. So we'll go there, see what's going on. Well, Maria looks pretty good today. Look at her. No, she's over there. So we're done. I feel quite tired. I keep getting a stabbing pain in my ear, so don't know what that's caused by. Maybe like
I can't breathe.
You can't breathe. That to me is the end of a successful shop. If you can't breathe and you've got a stabbing pain in your ear. So yes, we're gonna do that to me. Yeah, we're gonna make our way home. We're gonna put some music on.
2 hours, 4 minutes.
We've got 2 hours, 4 minutes. It's 4 minutes too long in my opinion.
Don't worry, I'll lose that on the motorway.
You'll lose that on the motorway. Okay, let's do this then. Shall we? Shall we? We shall. And we are now home, and I'm already in my pajamas because YOLO. And Maria is home and building, so we're just gonna end the vlog there. I have no idea what we filmed. Hopefully it's okay, and we'll have something. Who knows? We are going to have 2 hauls.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
so.
we'll do an Ikea haul, so you can see what we got from there. One of the things, maybe a few of the things will be built. We'll see. And we will do then a general other shops haul. So look out for those coming to you soon. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you very soon. Goodbye. Say goodbye. Goodbye.